Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your store currency in Squarespace. To change the currency in Squarespace, first log into your computer. Now fill in your email address and password. From this page, click on this website button below your website. Go to Selling, select Payment. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial and scroll down to store currency. As you see, my current currency is the USD. Click on it and select your new currency from this list. Let's go with the Australian dollar. Click Save. And this is how to change your store currency in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.